So basically, our today's workshop was based on biology, and especially it focused on the structure and components of bloods. We came here in a blood bank, and we were shown a lot of things like how the blood is donated, how the components are separated from the blood by centrifugal force and all. We also got to know a radioactive device which is most probably used to cure some diseases which are formed due to some fault in blood. It was fun. We also got to know how platelets are donated, how blood is donated, what is the procedure for our blood and all. So it was a fun for us, and we also learned how to make a model of blood in which we were told to make everything: plasma, white blood cells and red blood cells. It was really
Platelets.
yeah, platelets as well.